Hello and welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase a and then go through some words that begin with the letter. The words will include the vowel name and a diagraph. So let's begin. To write lowercase a, we go around and down, around and down, around and down. Now let's go through some words. A is for ambulance. A is for angel. A is for apple. A is for alpaca. And finally, A is for aim. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.